guys, Ishpreet here. Welcome back to Slick and Natty. So last week I had posted a video on converting your old t-shirts to infinity scarves. The link for the same is here. So when I posted that video, some of you commented that I should teach something about jackets which can be worn over kurtis, as these are so much in fashion these days. So I know about this quick hack by which you can convert your dupattas into jackets without the need for any stitching. So I thought I must share it with you guys. So in this video, I'll be doing this one for anarkali suits, because anarkali suits are just not in fashion these days, but jacket suits are definitely in. And secondly, I'll be doing it for a patiala suit with a short kurti or a short kameez. So as you can see, this is my anarkali suit, which is at least 4 to 5 years old, and this is how I've converted the dupatta into a jacket. And this is my patiala salwar suit, and in patiala salwars the shirts of the kurtis are not as long as they are in anarkali suits, so the jacket has to be a little different. So now let me quickly show you how I have converted these dupattas into these jackets.
Before we move on to the actual dupatta, I'll explain it to you with the help of a piece of paper so that you understand better. So assume that this is a dupatta. So take one of its longer sides and bring the two edges together and join them in the center. In the actual dupatta, we'll be joining it with a safety pin instead of a staple pin. Now we will take 2 points on either side of the center. The position of these points will depend on how wide you want the neck to be, and at these points we will join the front and the back side of the dupatta together. So now this has become the front opening of the jacket. This is the neck, and these two are the armholes which will drop on the shoulders. So now let's repeat these steps on the actual dupatta. So this is the anarkali which will be converted into a jacket anarkali. And while we are at it, let me share with you a hack about how to put on chudidars easily. For this, take a small plastic bag, slip it onto your foot, and then pull up the chudidar easily. Now coming back to the dupatta, take one of its longer sides and bring the two edges together in the center like this, and join these with a safety pin. Now place this on yourself and decide how wide you want the neck to be. Accordingly, place safety pins on either side of the center to join the back side and the front side of the dupatta like this. The jacket is now ready to be worn. This is the neck and this is the armhole. Pass it through your neck like this and then put your arms through the armholes. Adjust it a bit and the jacket is all ready. So the armholes will be dangling on the sides like this, which looks very classy in my opinion. But if you don't like the flare on the sides, then you can take the two edges and join them together at the back like this with the help of a safety pin. So as you can see, the flare on the sides is gone now. It looks much fitted and it also gives a nice shape at the back. And if you're ready to put in a little effort, then I would advise stitching in the snap buttons or the titch buttons in place of the safety pins. This will prevent the georgette or the chiffon dupattas from tearing due to the repeated use of safety pins, and it will also save you a lot of time every time you want to put on the jacket. So next I will be converting the dupatta of this patiala suit into a collar jacket like this. Because the shirt is not very long, so you need a stole like dupatta which is not very wide. Place the safety pins in the center and on either side of the center as done in the case of anarkali, and put the jacket on. Now you have two options. First option is this boat neck jacket. For this, take the sides and pull these inside through the armholes on both the sides. And yeah, the boat neck jacket is now ready. The second option is this collar jacket. For this, open up the center safety pin and fold the edges to form a collar like neck. Now pull in the sides through the armholes like done before. and attach these to the front of the jacket with the help of a safety pin so that these don't get displaced. And your collar jacket is now ready. I hope you like this idea of making your own jackets for kurtis and giving your old suits a new twist. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do connect with me on my Instagram account, which is Slick and Natty. Do subscribe to my channel, it will mean a lot to me. See you guys next time. Bye for now.